How is it going, everyone? I'm back with another video. This time I'm gonna try to do it in English. It's my first time, so let's see how it goes. I just wanted to challenge myself and let's start. Today's video is about this little thing called Zhiyun 60 watts. Actually, there is a lot of reviews already about it, and I just wanted to do an unboxing video. So let's start. Once you open the main box, you're gonna find three little boxes inside. One of them is for the small softbox, which comes with a small grid inside, but I will show you that later. It comes with all the info. Next box is for the Bowens Mount Adapter. This way, if you have any softbox or anything that comes with a Bowens mount, you can use it directly in the lamp. And at the end, you're gonna have the lamp by itself. Inside, you will see it comes with the main diffuser and a small plastic diffuser that comes inside. But first of all, let's open it. It's gonna take a second because it comes factory sealed, so yeah. Inside we will find the daylight reflector and a small diffuser, you will see. Once you open it, you will realize that it comes with a plastic bag with some indications, so you can be careful about the handling. Something important to mention is also that the hard case is really well built. It's super small, but also super sturdy. You can see the quality even by looking at it. You can see that it's like really small and it's almost the size of two of my hands. Once you open the little hard case, you're gonna find some documentation, such as a quick smart guide, a document with disclaimer and warnings that it comes in English, Chinese, Spanish, French, Italian, and Japanese, and a service card. That actually, it's funny because they mark Peru in Africa. I think they will need to edit their design. You will find also the charger that comes divided into the cable and the main box, and a small little bag that actually will help you to support the weight of the charger when you connect it to the lamp. You will find also this little tripod that you can use to use your lamp handheld or to set it up in your desk. But actually, I wouldn't recommend that if you really want to use it like for interviews or something like that. Then you will find this little reflector. This can help you to shoot outdoors without caring too much about the harsh shadows provoked by the daylight. I mean, it's a nice solution. It comes with this plastic diffuser that you just need to pop up and it's ready to shoot actually. It fits really well. The quality of the building quality is really well done. And honestly, I'm just looking forward to use it. And lastly, you will find the lamp. Please be careful when you try to open it, because here, what I did, it was forcing the plastic and bam, the knob just fell out. Fortunately, it was just the knob and that you just need to pop in, and it's like normal. It works really well. You will see here that it comes with a plastic protection. The cup LED, it comes also with a protection, so you don't scratch it or hit it directly. The knobs, they go really smooth. Honestly, the clicking is not that hard and you can just handle them really well. Also, it comes with a power on button and this little knob that helps you to put like this metal down, and this will open the I/O for electricity. In the other side, you will find the USB-C. So this way, you can connect your lamp with a power bank, but you need to be really careful to use a power bank with enough power delivery. Now, as I say, the carrying box is really well built. Now let's go with the Softbox unboxing. As I explained, it's really small. I was actually really surprised when I opened the first one and I realized how small it was. Because that helps you, if you're a solo shooter, just to get along with your own projects by yourself. You can carry everything in a backpack and yeah. Here you will find the small grid. It is actually really well built. This you will use it depending on your needs. Some days you will need some direct light, some days no. But yeah, it's really well built. Now, when we open the little softbox, you will realize how small it is. This is the softbox compared with my hand. Now, let's open it. As you can see, it's really well built, and the quality of the materials are really well done. Here you will see, compared with my hand, once open the softbox, it's almost the size of my hand. And to place the grid, honeycomb, as you want to call it, is really easy. It's the normal Velcro it's used in the standard softboxes. You place it and it's ready to go. Really practical actually, as you can see. Something I like about it, honestly, is the size. It's super compact. You can just fold it easily and you can just bring it with you to any travel, anywhere in your backpack. The lamp, as I show you in the unboxing, it's super compact also. You can just fold this, and honestly, it's even smaller than my hand. It's super practical to pick it up. Now, let's open the Bowens Mount Adapter. It's factory sealed, so it's just gonna take a second. Perfect. Now, something to mention about it is that also allows you to use some umbrellas. So if you don't have any accessory with Bowens Mount, you can just put some umbrellas over there and it's ready to use, actually. And as you will see, it's actually really small. It's actually the size of my hand also. Here, you can just open this to put it in any direction you need. And then here in this little hole is where you can attach some umbrellas if you already have some. Now let's attach the mount adapter into the lamp. It's really easy actually. You will see the mounting points here. Put them together, twist until you hear the click, and it's ready. And as you can see, even with the mount adapter, it's really small. Really practical, honestly. Here you will see the safety lever. To remove it, you just need to press over there, twist, and that's it. Easy. Something remarkable is also the design. You can realize that the effort was not only in the portability or the quality building, but also in the aesthetic of the product. Honestly, really remarkable. To mount the reflector, we use the same procedure than before. We put together the mounting points with twist, and it's ready to go. Here you will find the safety lever to remove it. You just need to press, twist, and that's it. Now, to use the diffuser, you mount again the reflector, and then you just need to put up the diffuser. You need to be sure that it gets really well attached. It's just like a pressure safety. And yeah, this is how it is. Really small, simple, and now it's ready to use. Something I haven't mentioned is that you can use this lamp with an app. It's called Vega, but we will talk about it later. Now, let's check the softbox. To mount it, it's exactly the same procedure. Put together, twist, and you press the softbox so it stays in place. And this is how it looks like. Here, you can put together the attachment, and now this is the size actually. As you can see, it's really small, really portable. This is how you can use it handheld. But now let's check how it works actually. To turn it on, you first need to plug it in. Then you just press the button and it's ready to use. The dials, one of them is gonna manage the temperature of the light, and the other one is gonna manage the intensity of the light. And as I say, they are really soft to handle. Honestly, you cannot get lost with this lamp. It's really easy to use. Also, as I mentioned before, you can manage all the settings from the app, but let's talk about it later. Now, the shortcuts. Here, if you press the center of each dial, you have some different modes in this dial. And in the other dial, you have different intensities of lighting. Like this, you don't need to twist the dial all the way along to go to 100. Just like this. Now let's go to the app. Me, I already had installed one of the lamps, so it's looking for it. Next step is going to be add the new lamp via Bluetooth. So you press add device, selection the device, press add, and it's almost automatically done. After that, the most important thing is to upgrade the firmware. You will need to reconnect the lamp, and after that, you will be able to upgrade the firmware. For that, you will need to press upgrade, and it's gonna take like around 5 minutes. Me, I speed up the video so it doesn't take too long, but yeah, it takes like around 5 minutes. Then the next process is to actually reconnect all the system, because otherwise you cannot pair the two lamps together to work with them together. Here, once the firmware is upgraded, you can actually make changes in both lamps if they are paired already. Otherwise, it's gonna work only in one. So you just need to configure the lamps to work together. It's like making a chain of lamps. I don't know how many you can connect, but actually they work really well once you make the changes. Like this, you can change the temperature or the intensity of the light. It's really easy to use. Here you can see how it works. You just turn at them and you start to make the changes via the app. This is the intensity. As you can see, super bright. And also you can change the temperature. And it works like this. Also, as I mentioned, I ordered 2 of the Molus G60 combos. Right now my key light is using exactly the same configuration that this one. It's just the light, softbox, grid, configured at 60%, and it's working really well. Now let's go to the arrangement of the gear. The softbox, to fold it, you just need to press here. You press, and then you just fold it. I think the hard case was designed to keep the softbox over there because it fits perfectly. You just need to put it there, and that's it. Has the perfect space. Now, this is a small tripod. You can actually put it just next to the softbox and it fits super well. The lamp, you just need to twist, close, and you need to be careful to protect your cup lid. Once you put it there, you need to be sure that the dials goes in the back in the holder in the hard case so they don't get damaged. And finally, you just need to pop down your diffuser, put it in, and that's it. You just need to close it and it's ready to go, even though there is no space for the charger. So now, who is this light for? I think this light may help you if you're a solo shooter, if you're a documentary filmmaker, if you're making some interviews, if you're doing photo shootings, weddings. I think it's a good option to go. It's really well built, quality building, honestly. You will have what you pay for. A lot of options to rig it. And honestly, there is no downside. I really recommend it. Zhiyun is making a nice job. If you arrived till this part of the video, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your time and visiting this channel. Next video, it's gonna be amazing. I promise that. Now you know that going for the Molus G60 option from Zhiyun is a nice budget option, quality option. Thanks a lot. Until next time. Peace.